That boy said, njengoba ngizomthatha uTirelo uzohlala la eMzumbe bese mina ke ngimbona uma ngifikile. Tirelo, you better listen my sister, you better listen because he's being honest. uSibindi uqinisile uma ethi uzophelela eMzumbe. So she needs to decide ngempela ukuthi does she want uMendo noma she still wants to live the city girl life le ayikhuluma ngayo. Sanibonani and welcome back to another video. This is my review of season 3 episode 3. I guess khulumeke ngale episode. I really enjoyed it. If you have not yet subscribed to our community, please do. And also don't forget to watch the ads. Kuyangisiza nami ukuthi ngiqhubeke ngiphushe, but ke sana ngiyabonga uthando nesupport eninginika lona. Ngiyabona every day i-channel yethu iyakhula. Okokuqala nje, I would like to say nje, I am so happy that uSne noMbilo have fixed things between them because that was my wish for this season and I'm so glad ukuthi iyenzeke nje isaqala isizini. But I don't wanna lie, iyabheda ngempela indlela uSne acabanga ngayo just because abonwa noLwandle bayashesha bedlulise izinto doesn't mean ukuthi wonke umuntu ucabanga kanjalo. Naye uSne needs to give uMbilo igrace, understand as much as naye ufuna ukunderstandwa, efuna uaccepta naye she must do the same for uMbilo. It's so crazy to think ukuthi she expects the other person to reach out ekubeni uyena osuke wrong. Umuntu yoguga nini lokho enza leyo nto leyo, so nje I'm not gonna entertain that. Then we saw the interesting part yale episode, which was uSibindi ke introduce ke uAmahle to his brother uLwandle. It was awkward at first because uGel ungene lapha ngani mhlambe indlela edithe ngayo ayiphumanga the way it was supposed to, but it just felt awkward ukuthi she just went around the table without greeting her man, without giving him like a little kiss, a little hug, which is telling to me ukuthi mhlambe uGel is not yet comfortable naye uSibindi because of the amount of time they've been together. It's definitely giving a young upcoming slay queen trying to make a name for herself nje, trying to be visible in the public eye. The hair, the way she's dressed, you can tell nje ukuthi uGel othandayo izinto. Like nje, let's be honest, singalokho sishona le nale. And what's interesting ukuthi guys will go out there, especially traditional Zulu guys, will go out there seeking lama slay queens and then bese bezama ukwashintsha abe lento abafuna bebe yona, instead of going actively and looking for umuntu who fits lama requirements yena awafunayo. So it's gonna be interesting to see ukuthi uGel uzokwazi yini ukufitha lawo ma requirements awafunayo uSibindi, because I don't think they know each other enough to say ukuthi yes, I'm what he wants, yes, she is what I want. But ke sizobona. Obviously uAmahle uyamazi uSibindi. She replied nje to the DM because she knew ukuthi this is the guy yabo from the show, famous, money, asazi what popped up ngesikhathi ebona iDM yakhe uSibindi to make her just quickly accept his request, to make her quickly accept his proposal, ngoba uyasho uGel ukuthi akamshelanga. So why would you entertain umuntu nje oqhamuke sethi baby kuwena? And I wonder if it was any other guy ongekho famous bezovuma yini. And this is the thing with our daughters, they lack the knowledge engabe iqhamuka kabazali babo. If nje sisusa uSibindi out of the picture, indlela ingane zethu ezibehave ngayo on social media iyona le yenza ukuthi bezingelwe amadoda amadala, because they can see ukuthi this girl indlela ayiphatha ngayo on social media mhlambe ngamthatha ngimthembisa ukuthi nokuthi just as long as ngithola lento engiyifunayo kena bese ngiyabaleka. So uGel, instead of asking uSibindi ukuthi yini emenze wakhetha yena out of so many girls, uGel mele ayibuze yena ukuthi yini le yenza ukuthi uSibindi aze aye kwama DMs emaningi kanje amantombazane, because futhi akazi how many girls he has DM'd. Mele ayibuze ukuthi yini le ayibonile kwi-profile yami emenze wa-attracted kuyena aze aye kwama DMs ayombiza ngobaby without actually amsheli. Yayibona leyo nto. And it's funny because people underestimate ukushela ukuthi how important it is umuntu akushele ukuze ukwazi ukuthi umbone ukuthi userious kangakanani. Umuntu aqhamuka ethi baby nje, that shows ukuthi itho nje ye-relationship yenu ukuthi izoba kanjani. He didn't work hard to get you, so why do you expect ukuthi ahambe above and beyond ukuthi akwenzele izinto? Why mele ahambe above and beyond ukuthi akuhloniphe? Because kwaseqaleni akakuhloniphanga. He saw what he saw, wabona ukuthi umzimba muhle, indlela oyiphethe ngayo nje. And actually wayiprove right ipoint yakhe ngokuthi nje athi baby bese kutholile nje. And since we are in the point yokuthi uSibindi and social media girls and stuff, mele sibe honest guys ukuthi how these girls actually see uMpumelelo. They see him as this young blesser, inverted commas, ngoba that's what is perceived by the public ukuthi this family is wealthy, nani. And him being a young guy instead of an older guy makes it more palatable kula mantombazane ukuthi bebe open to being with him because he's younger, he's not an old man. It won't be shameful ukuthi behambe naye in public. Also, introducing him to their families won't be such a disgrace. And then they think ukuthi they're gonna get the same benefits engabe bawathola with older blessers, yabo. So now mabengena kwi-relationship noMpumelelo, they see ukuthi hi man, the math is not mathing lana. You bekezela for so much kodwa awutholi lutho in return. U-investor ngesibeletho sakho, u-investor with your time, with your energy, with your love, with your heart, and so much is expected from you as the woman. You have to prove ukuthi you are worthy to be a wife kaMseleku, but yena akakuniki lutho in return. When ama-demands akho nje are pushed nje to the side, you have to agree to everything I show you. If awufuna ukuvuma, then you are out. And this is why I will continue to be so hard on the girls, because niyayibona i-proof. We all have seen the show, sonke siyayibuka le show, so you can't say ukuthi you did not know, you did not see the red flags. Now that you've seen nangu Vuyo, nangu Tirelo, nangu Nosipho, nangu Bani, you've seen the pattern, but you still choose to go there. So whatever happens from now, when it comes to indaba kaAmahle, she only has herself to blame because she has seen the proof. You can't depend on uGaye ukuthi abe neqiniso. You can't trust a man nje nowadays. And lamantombazane ayakhohlwa ukuthi uSibindi is not just a random guy. Like, he doesn't have to beg you to be in his life. Akafani nalama guys ehlangana nawe emgaqweni umuntu athi nje yo mangase nje ngikuthole nje kungashintsha nje yonke into for me. Thola ukuthi umuntu nje aqala ubona intombazane enhle kanje ukuthi nje umnika isikhathi nje sokuthi akhulume nawe nje is like heaven kuyena. When it comes to uSibindi, he doesn't have to prove anything. Like, he can get any girl he wants. Clearly he can get any girl he wants. So the best thing you can do as a young lady, ngoba uyazazi uyayibona ukuthi umuhle and uyi-type yakhe, make him work for your time, make him work for inhliziyo yakho. Don't make it easy for him, ngoba later on uzoyisola ukuthi why you didn't have now ama demands of your own.